Rugby, the tournament, is about the Rugby World Cup since inception of the Rugby World Cup in 1987. The hardcover version of this book covers the history of the Rugby World Cup, the highlights, the records, all those achievements that the rugby fans follow, and there's insights in this book that you probably have never come across before. We live in an information age. There are just so much information around and not enough time to utilize and enjoy that information. This book product is unique in a sense that it's done in infographic style. And this book is not in text format with a few pictures or photographs, but it's information integrated and combined with graphics, and that helps the human brain to absorb the information maximally, and at a glance you can get huge amounts of information about a topic that is actually relevant to the Rugby World Cup and that every rugby enthusiast is after. The book is not just for the fanatic, it's also for the family. It includes the rules of the game and the basics about a scrum and a line out. It also includes the rankings and how the calculations work to rank the countries in the world that play this game of rugby. It also includes the Women's Rugby World Cup and even the history before 1991 of women's rugby before the Women's Rugby World Cup started. And take into account that the Women's Rugby World Cup is taking place in September 2021 in New Zealand. The book can be ordered at SPORTS RUGBY INFOGRAPHICS.com. It will also be available on Amazon, and it can be a coffee table book, and it can be used for the people who want to do research, and it can be used for people that just want to reminisce with friends on all the highlights since 1997, the more 30 years of history of the game that we love and that we enjoy so much.